All right, we got that side all trimmed out. We're making really good progress. You guys are just finishing up the last of the greenhouse paneling. We have a really exciting building to show you today. This is a 10 by 16 greenhouse with some really nice features. We're going to show you the process from start to finish, so keep watching because you won't be disappointed. If you have ever thought about buying a greenhouse or even making your own, this building will give you some different ideas on what you can do with yours. We start off with a 4x4 pressure treated perimeter that we level and then use rebar in different spots to secure it to the ground. One of my favorite features on this building is a solar fan, which runs completely on its own, powered by the sun. We will show you more on that later in the video. We didn't have much working room on the sides of the greenhouse, so we installed the siding before standing the walls. This makes it a little bit easier in these tighter conditions. If you are enjoying this video so far, if you could kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, we sure would appreciate it. We would love to answer any questions or respond to comments as well. What do you think? Is this overkill for a backyard greenhouse? Everything's going real smooth. Our first wall is going up. We are using a Hardy Panel cement product for the lower half of the walls. It's much more water resistant than a typical wood siding. It's very durable, long lasting, and looks really nice as well. And for the greenhouse material, this is a dual wall polycarbonate material specifically designed for greenhouses.
Since that day, my toenails have not broken.
All right, Brian, what are you putting on?
This is called skip sheathing here. So what this is going to do, this is going to straighten out the roof, but also give strength to that polycarb so it doesn't cave in.
Just doing some prep before we can start doing the touch-up on the shed. The greenhouse, I should say. Just creating the overhang on the building, trimming it out. Got a lot of branches on this job site we're having to work around.
Many. So many.
I have a kid here, Lindsay, so no, that's a good thing.
Okay, I'll take one of those, Caleb.
Just getting more of the trim detail on the building here. Ryan's working on the shelving on the inside. I think we got a total of 3 or 4 shelves. Then we're getting the polycarbonate material up on the roof now.
Makes it kind of easy to get different measurements on.
All right, we got that side all trimmed out. Guys are just finishing up the last of the greenhouse paneling.
I am so glad we had this conversation. I know.
All right, Will's just finishing up the last of the metal here. You got it? Awesome. Don't fall.
Yeah.
We're just finishing up all the trim detail. This is the last piece we're putting on here. It's always a good feeling. Lots of little cuts on these greenhouses. Not bad. Brian, what's that silver piece that you just put on the door there?
This here is what's called door catch, and it'll hold the door open for you. So you just come over here, you just lift this little lever up, let her drop right in there, and then
Very
she'll
cool.
hold the door.
We're just getting close to getting finished up here. Just finishing the last of the touch up, making sure everything's good to go. All right, we're all finished up with the greenhouse. It turned out amazing. You like it, Holly?
I do. I love it.
Awesome. Let's look inside here. This is your second greenhouse, right?
Yeah, second one.
Yeah, we did this one.
I,
How long ago was that
was
one
it a
built?
year? About a year ago?
August last year.
August last year.
Got the solar fan in, it's going strong. Got some shelving or a workbench in the back, a couple shelves. Is it big enough? You gonna need a third one?
I don't know. We'll see how my tortoises fit in here.
Awesome. Well, enjoy. Make good use of it.
Thank you so much.
Such a cool building. So just kind of a recap here. We did a hardy panel wainscot. There's a Dutch door there, so that top half of the door opens. One vent's in the front. We also did a solar fan and vent in the back. You got a window, some shelves, a pretty complete greenhouse.